I got a man now, I heard you a fan now.
Oh, I don't know. That's just been my reaction, y'all, with these colors. I love this now. I don't have it on, right? And because I gorilla snotted down, I don't want to move it. But this is supposed to be like tilted a little bit more this way so that it'll be kind of even. But other than that, like, I love this. I have to re-flat iron it to make it shape my face because I did it on a mannequin, so it doesn't really, you know, shape my face. But this is Wiggins hair. How did I forget to mention that? This is their 1B gray ombre hair. And I just really wanted this hair because I was just like, I'm tired of black hair. I'm about to do 2 black unit reviews, and it's like, I want some color. That's why I've been doing the blonde, the teal. I'm thinking of doing like a green or purple. I think I'm gonna do purple. But yes, I love this gray hair against this blue background. It just looks really nice. So as far as the specs, this was a 18-inch closure and 3 20-inch bundles. Most likely I didn't use all the bundles. I had like a little bit left, like this amount left. But this turned out way prettier than what I thought. It has so much body. Like, I love it, y'all. So that just messed up the hair even worse than what it was already messed up. But yeah, it just looks really nice on. I'm actually gonna rock this for about a week because yeah, I really do love it. So yeah, 18-inch closure, 3 20-inch bundles, and most likely it's Brazilian hair, but of course I'll leave all the information down below. I'll leave all the links as well. The thing about already bleached and colored hair, it's not always the most sleekest, I guess. Silkiest is the word I'm looking for, rather. If you hear some chomping, it's Jasper. But yeah, it's not always the silkiest. This hair is, although it has body, as far as the texture, it's a little not stiff, but it's just, I can't explain it. I don't want to say frizzy because it's not so much frizzy. It's just a little crunchy. But no, it just is not. Is this something in my teeth? Okay, no. But it's just not as soft and silky, I guess. But other than that, like, I love it. I'm actually gonna rock it, like I said, for a week or 2. Sorry, I know I'm adjusting and stuff on camera. There's really not much I have to say about this hair, which can be a good thing or a bad thing. Okay. I used the hot glue method because it was already bleached and colored or whatever. I went ahead into the hot glue method because I wouldn't be doing too much manipulation with this unit. Oh, I gotta tuck that lace up under there, y'all. That's just a little piece that I need to cut off before I start this week, okay? But yeah, I did the hot glue method. Same old, sew the closure down, hot glue the tracks, and I did want to use a lot of the hair because I wanted it to be very voluminous as far as movement and stuff like that. I just didn't want to, you know, little short, little dainty haircut or wig. What do I mean haircut? Or wig. There's something I want to mention, but it's like on the tip of my tongue, but I can't quite remember. Oh, so with this unit, I did cut it. It was 20 inches, and I was like, I did some long silver hair before. It was like an eBay synthetic unit. I was like, no, you know, I want something different. I want something shorter. I love short hair, and I feel like when you're doing colored hair, it's a great option to, wait, okay. It's a great option to go kind of shorter because you're not, you know, doing too much, I guess, you know. But hey, whatever. If you want 40-inch color hair, that's cool too. I just think, you know, this looks really good, and that's why when I do like really, that's really true. When I do colored hair, I usually go shorter. It's either a bob or just some short hair. When I did orange, it was right here. Silver, right here. pink was like right here, the teal was up there. So yeah, usually when I do color, I do go a little bit shorter, just because, you know, I don't want it to be too much. I don't know, that's just my preference. So what else did I want to say? Oh, I wanted to talk about the blending. As far as, this is supposed to be over here, when it transfers from the 1B to the gray, I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, it's a gray here. Okay, maybe y'all can't see it, but in person, it's not, I guess, I don't want to, okay, see, here's a piece right there. So you get those little strays from time to time that still have blonde on it. But honestly, that really didn't bother me. I just thought I would mention it because I didn't want y'all to expect some already seamlessly blended hair. But because it gives it a more, I guess, realistic touch, I want to say. Because I know it's the same issue I would run across if I was to do a custom unit this color. I would definitely have, I don't want to say some issues blending, but I would definitely have some spots that just have that touch of blonde still to it. But as far as from the root to the actual hair, yeah, it's a nice transition. It's not the worst. Maybe could have been a little bit smoother with a darker gray up in there, but that's just my preference. That's what I would have done. But yeah, other than that, like, I love this unit. It's so bomb. When I did it, it was like, I put on Snap. I was like, y'all, guess what color I'm doing? And I had it in black and white. And it was kind of obvious. It was like, it's either going to be a really light color, a blonde, or a silver or gray. So a lot of people was like, oh, it's pastel pink, it's pastel pink, it's pastel blue, it's pastel pink, it's orange, orange, orange. I'm like, nah. I was like, nah, but I'm really trying to do a red unit. I did red before, but for some reason I feel red again. A burgundy unit. I'm feeling a green unit, I'm feeling burgundy, I'm feeling purple. So you never know what's coming next. Again, this is Wiggins hair. This is Brazilian straight, 20 inches. Well, it was 20 inches before I cut it. And yeah, this is the 1B gray. And I absolutely love it. And I'll leave all the links down below. And I'll probably post some pics throughout the week with it actually flat ironed how it should be. Because right now we're looking a little bit crazy. But yeah, this is really cute. And I love it against the blue. It's just real cute.